Hi there, just making a quick video of the Hello Kitty sandwich maker. It's got the little on-off button on the side and I have turned it on. Also has this little light up here. It's got a few cosmetic scratches on the nose and right here. And that's all cosmetic. It is in great condition. It works well, hits up well. No scratches on the sandwich part, and I've got my little thermometer here. Let's see, it's at 80, and I will just put it up against, I don't know. Okay, let me just do it like this, and then close it. You just try to put it up against the surface, but you see it's going. It's at 100, 120. So it heats up fine. And it is for sale on eBay. I'll turn it off here. And I'll just turn it upside down just so that you can see. It's got some scratches here as well. It's got a cute handle so that you can store it standing up. And I'll turn it over. And it's a sandwich maker Kt5245. The serial number ending in 6339. And there it is.